Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. I have a video bomber back here. Is that a thing, video bomber instead of photo bomber? I just invented it. Video bomber back here. Anyways, in this video, I'm going to be talking about how this and my camera's... It's way too funny. So it's staying. Anyways, in this video, I'm going to be talking about how this crazy hairdo keeps my hair looking good for the next 2 to 4 days. So stay tuned. And there's my dog. Hey guys, so I wanted to do a video talking about how to protect your curls or waves at night. One of the hardest parts of Curly Girl Method is you spend all of this time, really a whole day, wash day, trying to get your waves and your curls to act right, and then you go to bed, you wake up the next day, and they don't look so good anymore. So I finally have found a method that I feel like my hair looks about as good the next day as it did whenever I went to bed the night before. So I'm going to talk to you about what I do. So first, I use a silk scrunchie. This is a silk scrunchie from MYK Silk that they sent me. There's a couple of different ways that you can use it. So the pineapple, which if you have not heard of, is a way of putting your curls up on your head at night to protect them. You don't want to use regular ponytail holders. You can use the ones, let's see, like this, the little coily ones that don't leave creases on your hair, but you really want to avoid using regular ponytail holders on your curls really at all, but especially at night, just because it leaves you with a big crease in the morning. But I love this scrunchie because it doesn't really leave me with any creases. Okay, so for the pineapple, you are going to bring your hair on top of your head and bring it all the way forward. And then you're just gonna loop it one time. Okay, so this looks crazy, but I feel like really everything that we do for our curly hair looks crazy. So this is step one. This is how I wear my hair at night. It keeps your hair off of your pillow. It keeps you from laying on it, so it keeps your curls kind of up here, floating and free during the night. So this is what I do, mostly because my hair isn't too long. So if your hair is longer than mine and you feel like your hair is too heavy like this, or you're still laying on it, you can do something very similar. It's the exact same thing, except for you only pull just a little bit of your hair through and wear the rest up like this. So this is still a pineapple. It can be a little bit lighter on your head. On the back of your head is still free. You're not laying on your curls whenever you go to bed at night. So that's what I do. I normally do the first method. The other thing is using a silk pillowcase. So MYK Silk also sent me this silk pillowcase that matches my scrunchie. I've had both of these for about probably a month and a half. And I will say that these have quickly become my favorite hair products that I have received since I started Curly Girl Method about 4 months ago, because they have helped improve my day 2, 3, 4 hair so much. So used to, whenever I would sleep on a cotton pillowcase with one of these, I would typically wake up the next morning and my curls would be really misshapen, and so I would have to put a lot of water and product back in my hair just to kind of make my curls reform again, and which also led to a lot of frizz. And so by day 2, day 3, I had so much product in my hair and I really didn't love the way it looked. So ever since I started using the silk scrunchie and the silk pillowcase, I am not even really having to use product in my hair on day 2 or day 3, unless I just touched it too much, the curls fell out, but not because of the way that I sleep on it at night. So I am going to put my hair up in a pineapple and sleep on my silk pillowcase, and I am going to come back and show you what it looks like in the morning, just so you can get an idea of how well these work. So let me put my hair up real quick. All right. Isn't this a great hairstyle on me? Okay, all right, so I'm gonna go to bed and I will be back in the morning. Good night. Okay, good morning guys. I just woke up about 10 minutes ago. As you can see, got a lot of little stragglies hanging out now, but I'm just gonna pull out my silk scrunchie and kind of let my hair settle. Okay, so you can see for the most part, this side still looks about like it did whenever I went to bed last night. I'm a little wonky looking over here, so I am still gonna refresh it a little bit. But the first thing I do whenever I take it out of the scrunchie is let it settle. I give it about 10 to 15 minutes, and those hairs kind of get used to pointing this way instead of this way, and I feel like they kind of tend to level out. So I am going to go drink some coffee, go about the rest of my morning, and then after I refresh my hair, I will come back and show you the final result. So stay tuned. All right, guys, these are my final results. All I did was I put it up while I was in the shower, and then I used a little bit of dry shampoo and mousse just to refresh it. And these are my results. So this is really easy to do now on day 2, just from using the silk pillowcase and my silk scrunchie. So if you have any questions, let me know. If you're watching this on Instagram, give it a heart. If you're on YouTube, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I hope y'all enjoy the rest of your day, and let me know if you have any questions. Bye.